Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Snapchat password. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. Tap open Snapchat application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged in. Once you are, tap on your emoji located at the upper left-hand corner. This will open up your profile. Tap on the gear button at the upper right-hand corner from your profile page to bring up the settings menu. Right where you can see a password option. Give it a tap. Now enter your current password into the text box in order to set a new password for your Snapchat account. Once you type in your password, tap continue. Enter the new password that you're trying to change to for your Snapchat account. Once you set a password for yourself, confirm the password on the next field by typing it again. Make sure both of your passwords in the text boxes matches. And finally, tap save. As soon as you do that, you have successfully updated or changed your password to a new one on Snapchat application. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the same password that you just created. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.